COVID-19 pandemic has changed the world forever. New measures and uncertainty have become part of our lives and transformed how consumers buy food. Is your business flexible enough to cater for such new buying trends? Online ordering, takeaway and food delivery are the new norm. Adapt to these new trends and supercharge your business by owning a cloud kitchen. At CT Food Chain, you can create your own cloud kitchen and attract multiple tenants, thus increasing your return on investment. As a food-centric industrial development with a rare 64-year lease, we will be your choice location for a cloud kitchen, where food can be prepared and delivered efficiently. Well-sized units allow you to expand your home kitchen with ease while lowering overheads, or choose to rent out to multiple startup entrepreneurs within a single unit, all in line with SFA requirements. As property investors, you can increase your return on investment by riding on the growing need for cloud kitchens. Now is the time. Seize the opportunity that delivers good returns. The best units are available for sale.